bro. I am currently waiting for Dylan to come over and shoot the exhaust video. He said he'd be here an hour ago. I want to shoot these videos in the daytime and Dylan's not here, man. Where's Dylan? Okay, the sun is gone. Okay, let's go.
We're out of gas.
Wow, 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 wow. It's a Mustang thing?
Yep. There we go.
Oh, there we go. It's working.
This is how you fill up a race car. I don't want car 6 aftermath in my car.
Why?
Lionel Richie.
This is Dylan's favorite artist. This is a nice spot Jamie showed me. We made a video about drug dealing and we went down here.
Can't do it here.
Oh shit, there's a cop?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll find
two. Yeah, we're not doing it here.
Fuck.
We're not doing it here. I could two-step this car.
Really? Oh shit. Oh shit. Fucking running out in the middle of a highway. Don't you love doing that shit? It's so funny. I'm just running. Everybody around me probably thinks I'm so weird, man. You know, he told me, if you hear tires screeching, get the fuck out the way. Don't kill me, dude. You need a fart? Fart right now. Are you farting?
No.
Oh.
I'm shitting.
Bro, while we were hanging out, I think I referred to Venom as a she. Is Venom a boy or a girl? That's a she? Damn. I thought you said our cars were married. Our cars are lesbians. Damn, bro. Oh, look at all that carbon. Carbon fire. Oh, you're lucky, by the way. Usually this area smells like feces. Okay, time to run some more. Hey, don't mind me. I'm just a dude trying to record a YouTube video. Oh, look at this. The hell? That was nice. It's a little G37.
You want to get some Chick-fil-A?
Hey, Gabby, what's up?
Hey, why not you text me?
Because I've been out ripping it with Dylan. Dylan, are you really playing cock?
I like cock.
Look. Cock.
It's not.
Brownie. Brownie.